Hello, and thank you for tuning into Tech Talk this morning. When do you think we'll finally have those flying cars we saw in movies decades ago? Will we ever eat food in pill form? Where will we live in the future? In tunnels deep underground? Inside massive domes closed off from pollution? Or maybe in huge pyramids where there's no need to ever leave? Today's guest is architect and writer Nurjan Iskakov, whose new book talks about what the future might look like. Thank you for being here today, Nurjan.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us, Nurjan, what are cities going to look like years from now?
There are a lot of different theories. Some people say that we will simply add to the cities we already have, adapting them to our needs in order to stay safe and healthy. Other people believe we'll live in floating cities in the ocean that could turn into submarines when the water gets too rough. And others hope that we will soon live in high-tech skyscrapers that reach above the clouds to protect ourselves from bad weather.
That's fascinating. But who is going to design these incredible structures?
Actually, there are many architects working on designs as we speak. The main focus of these designs seems to be on eco-friendliness, creating buildings that will not harm the environment, but will still allow us to live in comfort. For example, one company is designing houses that actually function like trees, taking in carbon dioxide and producing oxygen.
But why do you think people would want to live there?
Wouldn't you want to live in a treehouse? Seriously though, I think protecting the environment is a huge concern to most people these days. It's certainly something I care about a lot, and you need to keep in mind that just because something is good for the environment doesn't mean it isn't fun.
What do you mean exactly?
Well, I'm sure most listeners have heard of virtual reality, but what about virtual reality theme parks? There's already one in China, another in the US, and I'm sure there will be more in the near future. The important thing is that these theme parks are a lot friendlier to the environment compared to the real ones.
I never thought about that before, but I can see how they would make a big difference. Unfortunately, we're running out of time, so thank you, Nurjan, for being with us today and sharing this really interesting information. If you want to find out more, you can purchase a copy of Nurjan's book at your local bookstore or on his website at www.